First, navigate to Journeys. Click Create to start a new journey. You can choose from a variety of templates. For this case, we'll choose Abandoned Cart Recovery, focusing on WhatsApp. Here you can see a quick preview of the journey, as well as a checklist to ensure your connectors and channels are installed. Now let's use this journey. Every journey has 4 essential components: triggers that initiate the starting point, actions that determine what happens, timing that controls wait periods, and logic that guides the journey's path. First, let's review the trigger. In this case, you can see that a Shopify event was already selected as the main trigger. Checkout Abandoned was selected as the main event, but here we can also change to other triggers. In addition to Shopify, you can also select other installed e-commerce connectors. Finally, we need to select a connector instance. Within each connector, you can have multiple instances. These are intended, for example, when managing multiple websites. Additionally, we can enable global holdout. Global holdout conditions will prevent messages from being sent to contacts that match specific conditions. We can also determine additional entry and exit conditions for specific contacts that qualify to enter or exit this step of the flow. Now let's save this trigger. Let's review the wait condition. This determines the amount of time that should pass before the journey continues. This ensures that conversations feel more natural and less intrusive. In this case, we also have a condition in place. This condition checks whether we have WhatsApp opt-in from this specific user or not. In case of an opt-in, we're sending them a WhatsApp message. Otherwise, we're finishing the journey. Now let's focus on the action, sending a message. Since this is a WhatsApp flow, we'll select the WhatsApp channel. We can create an entirely new message, but in this case, we'll select one we created previously. Now let's save this message. If we want a fallback message for contacts without WhatsApp opt-in, all we need to do is drag another condition that will check for email, followed by an action of sending an email. When you're happy with the journey, click Publish. Your cart abandonment journey is now live.